How can you identify common evergreen trees in winter? Imagine walking through a quiet winter forest, where most trees have shed their leaves, but some still stand vibrant and green. Evergreens add a splash of color and life to the cold landscape. To truly appreciate this, you need to learn how to identify these resilient trees. The first step is to look at their needles, which are actually modified leaves that stay green all year. Pines have needles grouped in bundles called fascicles, usually with 2 or 5 needles per bundle. If you see clusters of 2 or 5 needles tightly packed together, you are likely looking at a pine. Spruce trees have single needles that are square-shaped and sharp, which you can roll between your fingers. Fir trees also have single needles, but these are flat, soft, and have rounded tips, making them easy to distinguish from spruces. Next, examine the cones. Pine and spruce cones tend to hang downward from branches, while fir cones stand upright and often disintegrate while still attached to the tree, leaving behind a central stalk. The size and shape of the cones can also help you tell the trees apart. Bark is another clue. White pines have light gray bark with shallow ridges, whereas red pines have darker, deeply furrowed bark. Spruce bark is usually thin and flaky, which is quite different from the smooth or ridged bark of other evergreens. The overall shape and growth pattern of the tree can also guide you. White pines grow tall and straight with horizontal branches that slightly tilt upward, creating a full silhouette. Hemlocks have drooping branch tips and a more delicate, wispy look. When you combine these features, identifying evergreens becomes easier. Recognizing these trees in winter allows you to enjoy their beauty despite the cold. Their green needles add texture and color to the stark landscape, and their cones change subtly with the seasons. Learning these details deepens your connection to the winter environment and highlights the strength and beauty of nature all year round. By paying attention to the needles, cones, bark, and growth habits, you can confidently identify common evergreen trees during the winter months and appreciate their role in creating a serene, lively winter scene.